Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, and when I do, I'm gonna have another grab bag contest, and one of you could be a lucky winner. Today we're gonna talk about the Petit Vour July or August 2021 box. As you know, the mail system is having a severe lack of on-timeness, if that's even a word, on-timeness. And so the mail just comes when it feels like coming. So it's kind of like a crapshoot when you're gonna get something versus when I can record it versus when it's gonna be aired and all that. Be bold, be kind. This is a pretty little card. This explains what the products are inside, but first I'm gonna take a look at these products and then go from there. All right, the first product here is from SAPPHO. It's spelled S-A-P-P-H-O. There's some more words under that. New Paradigm. And this is a skin perfecting primer. Ooh, yes, primer. Not sure if I need a primer right now, but because I use it a lot, I probably will, take advantage of this when the opportunity strikes. I'm afraid to open it because I don't want it to expire. The next thing in here is called Moon Rivers Naturals. This is a peppermint lava salt hand body nutrient-rich body cleanser. I think you have to shake it. Oh my goodness. Peppermint lava salt. I mean, it definitely smells like peppermint lava salt. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm definitely gonna try those. Next product is a John Masters Organics Scalp Stimulating Shampoo with spearmint and meadowsweet. Meadowsweet. I've never heard of meadowsweet. Huh. Well, I'm gonna see what it smells like. Oh my goodness. I think this scent is something more so for a man than a woman, so I'm gonna have my husband try it out. I'm sure it feels good against the scalp too, because it's stimulating, so it's probably minty. The last product is GOLDFADEN MD Pure Start. It is a gentle detoxifying facial cleanser. It sounds good, but it says wheat protein, and I'm allergic to wheat anything, so I might have to put this in our grab bag. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe because you might be a lucky winner when I get 500 subscribers. Okay, so now a recap. I'm just gonna glaze over this writing and see if there's anything that catches my eye that might be very informative for you guys. So as far as the Skin Perfecting Primer from SAPPHO, it is silicone free. And that's very important because silicone creates a barrier, and not a good one, on your skin. And then you can get clogged pores and bad acne, rashes, etc. So it's important to have like silicone-free products. The same goes for your hair products. If you have too much silicone in the hair product, it's gonna weigh your hair down. And unless you like that look, I suggest you don't use it. As far as the scalp stimulating shampoo, wait, that's this one. I think I'm gonna have my husband try this because it's just very minty and eucalyptusy, and I think that's something that he would enjoy. The Peppermint Lava Soft Soap. This is great for travel. I like the way it smells. Nothing really stands out except for that it's made with lava, and I love lava. Just not swimming in it. Last but not least, the Pure Start Cleanser. This is hypoallergenic. This retails for $5. So the retail prices I gave you were for these sizes. I will list below what the full price is for the full sizes. So what'd you guys think? Do you find that this is a more interesting box, makeup box, than the Ipsy bag? Or are you enjoying this just as much? And if so, have you tried any of these products? Or is there one that you're interested in trying? What I like about this box is that they provide us with cruelty-free and generally healthy products that don't harm the environment, that don't harm you. There are no carcinogens, it's all natural. What I don't like about the box is that I feel like I keep getting the same items over and over again, and I really wish they would add more makeup items. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!